Dia Yíomh agus fáilte roimh. Á sinach de chuid na rinne oideachas agus scileanna é an láithreanad náisiúnta an mhór san oideachas. Tá freagracht ar an láithreanad taú le agus forbairt a dhéanamh ar chleachtas tráraach i nachréimse den oideachas agus comhairle a chur ar an run in North na Tráraach. As you may be already aware, the National Centre for Guidance and Education, or the NCGE, is an agency of the Department of Education and Skills with the responsibility to support and develop guidance practice in all areas of education and to inform the policy of the department in the field of guidance. NCGE also hosts the Euroguidance Centre for Ireland. In support of the work of guidance counsellors in the education and FET sectors, NCGE develops guidance materials, we provide guidelines on good practice, we support innovation and pilot projects, and we disseminate information to you and fellow practitioners. We develop and organise continuing professional development. NCGE also carries out a range of surveys and related research on guidance practice and needs. And we inform the Department of Education and Skills on policy development for guidance in the education sector. We also work with stakeholders in guidance to ensure the promotion of good quality guidance practice, and we represent Ireland at meetings of the European Commission to discuss the future of guidance policy and practice with our European colleagues. You can find out more about our centre at our website on www.ncge.ie. This email bulletin is our new monthly communication that you will receive from NCGE, and we hope that you find the information within the bulletins to be relevant, useful and informative for your work. We wish you all the very best for the academic year ahead. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us using the information provided in this email. Gurv Mahagrif Galer.